In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Whop bot to your Telegram. We're going to walk through the process directly from your Whop account settings, and the good news is that it only takes a few clicks. If you want to connect Telegram with Whop so the bot can be added properly, just follow along carefully and you'll be done in a moment. First, open your browser and go to the Whop homepage. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before moving on. Starting from the home page is helpful because it gives you a clear path into your account settings without having to search around for the right menu. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open the account menu where you can access personal settings and account-related options. If you don't immediately see it, just check the upper right area again, since that's where profile controls are usually placed. After opening the profile menu, click the settings icon. This is the area where Whop stores your account preferences and connection options. Going into settings is important because Telegram is added as a connected account rather than from the main dashboard. Inside settings, find and click on connected accounts. This section is where Whop lets you link external platforms and services to your account. If you've connected anything before, you may already see other integrations listed here. If not, that's completely fine. Now, in the Connected Accounts section, click on Add on Telegram. This is the option that begins the Telegram connection process and allows you to add the Whop bot to your Telegram setup. Once you click it, follow the prompts that appear on screen to continue inside Telegram if needed. As a quick tip, if Telegram doesn't open right away, check whether your browser is asking for permission to launch the Telegram app. In some cases, you may need to confirm the action manually. Also, make sure you're signed into the Telegram account where you want the bot to be added, especially if you use multiple accounts or devices. And that's it. To add Whop bot to your Telegram, you simply go to the Whop homepage, open your profile icon, enter settings, go to set to connected accounts, and choose Add on Telegram. It's a simple connection flow once you know where to look. Thanks for watching, and if you're following along in real time, you should now be just a few clicks away from having Whop connected to your Telegram.